Alright, y'all, welcome back. It's Albert LaBelle, and the lock we're going to take a look at this time is right here. It's right there. This was sent in to me by the one and only Jay Gabriel. He sent me several locks. Just a cool guy. Jay, thank you so much. I do appreciate it very much. So yeah, American lock. The locksmith's lock since 1912. That's almost as old as I am. Golly. So yeah, I slightly remember this lock. He sent it to me a little while back, and yes, I do remember this lock. It came with one key, and I figured, you know, if I was going to give somebody a lock, I'd keep a key also. Right, Jay? Very sneaky of you, buddy. I got your number. But yeah, so then I looked at it a little further, and I realized, okay, we've got an American lock. It's an American Series 1100. And then I look at the key, and it's a master lock key. So yeah, I was puzzled for a second. It also says, do not duplicate, or I'm sorry, on the back, safety lockout key. See that on the key ball right there? So I guess that's why it's a 6-pinner, because I know a lot of them LOTO locks, they are 6-pin locks, chock full of security pins. They're pretty darn good locks. So yeah, but then I noticed on the box, I thought maybe some of the stuff was mismatched, but it actually has the correct key number right there. That is on the key right there. So it does match. The key goes with the box, and I'm sure the box goes with the lock. So yeah, it's all good. So yeah, not the wildest of bidding, but not bad. But yeah, these are usually chocked full of security pins too. And it is key retaining. I'll be darned. Yeah, and it doesn't even spring back. That's strange. Yeah, key retaining. Okay, so yeah, let's see what's under the hood in this thing. See, on the box it says S1107. KA for key to like and BLU for blue. So it must have been maybe several key to like. So let me grab something that'll tension that puppy. Probably something thin. Yeah, that'll fit right there. Alright, let's see if we can pop it and see what's under the hood. What do you say? Let me just grab the usual. Grab that Peterson gem. My go-to. Alright, yeah. Let's see what's under the hood, huh? Say the magic words. Bada boom, bada bang. Let's actually, you know what? Let's just start in the front. Little click there. 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. Back to the front. 1, 3, 4. 5. Alright, so yeah, there's definitely security pins in here. Now if we can just find them. See if we can get some reaction. Counter rotation. There we go. Nice. I'm just trying to make the pins tell me what they want. That false set just got deeper. Oh, here we go. Right behind the tension wrench. Pin 1. I can stay on it. Come on, baby. Slipped off. There it is. Bada boom, bada bang. Right behind that tension wrench, pin 1. So yeah, that's chock full of security pins. Let's take a look. Let's get some of this stuff out of the way right here. Grab us a pinning tray. Yeah. Put up a nice little fight there. They usually do, though. The lockout, tag-out locks, the LOTO locks, they usually pack a pretty good punch. We've got a Phillips screw. Ooh, that's tight. Good grief. I don't want that falling out. Loctite. That out of the way. That out of the way. And by the way, we couldn't bypass this. I can see now, although I didn't try it, because that half moon, that lobe, is going opposite direction of the keyway. You see that there? So this bypass tool would not work. Alright, so what do we got? We got a clip. Nice. And it's still in the unlocked position, so I'll just try to keep it that way. Let's see if we can pop the clip without jacking it up. No. Let's lock it back up, because otherwise we'll probably dump the pins out of the bottom or something stupid. Got a lot of grease on it. It's just wanting to spin. There we go. There we go. Okay, grab that key wherever it went. There we go. Yeah, this thing's greasy. Alright, you know me, I'm going to shim it. Always use a shim, folks. If I learned anything at all from Bosnian Bill, it's always use a shim. If one will go in there. Good grief, Charlie Brown. That's going to have to work. Alright. Yep, full 6-pack. Always love to see that. Alright, so you know how we're going to do this. I'm going to speed it up because this part's highly... Oh, wait, look. Right off the bat. I noticed that 6th pin. Well, no, I was wrong. Barely needed anything. You see that 6th pin in the back there? You just barely had to tap that one up. So if there is a security pin in chamber 6, it really wouldn't come into play too well. Neither with 4. So, yeah. Alright, so we're going to speed this up and we'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and as I expected, chock full of security pins. Let me put my specs on. Get a little light going here. Where's my pointer? What do we have? Okay, so obviously none of the key pins are security pins. Yep. Well, no, that's a serrated in 5. I didn't think it was, but yeah, serrated in 5, and all the rest of these are spools. So yeah, these are always, or actually not always, but usually, let me put that light off, usually chock full of security pins, as you can see there. So bravo. Jay, thank you so much for sending in the lock. I do appreciate it very much. Thank y'all for tuning in. If you're not subscribed yet, please do so. It really helps out. And you know what? The channel is growing, folks. It's growing, and I really appreciate it a whole lot. So thank you, thank you, thank you.